solve some numericals of chapter light. You must have seen the videos related to light 1, part 1, part 2, I have, and part 3 I have uploaded. So this is the fourth part of light. So please go through it nicely. And before seeing this video, you please go through the theory that I have discussed. Because if theory will not be clear, then of course you will find a problem. So it will be better for you. Please go through the video, and then the numericals that I am going to solve, you please watch this. Okay. Playlist of chapter light is in the I button. So please press it. As you will press, you will get all the videos of chapter light. Clear? So without wasting time, let's start the numerical. Clear? So the numerical is a man is standing in front of a plane mirror finds his image to be at a distance of 6 meters from himself. Find the distance of man from the mirror. Clear? So we have to find the distance of what? We have to find the distance of man from where? From the mirror. So let's solve it through the diagram. It will be easy. Like this, suppose this is the plane mirror. Okay, this is the plane mirror. And what is it? A man is standing in front of a plane mirror. Find his image to be at a distance. Find his image to be at a distance of 6 meters from himself. Clear? Means the distance between, if man is here, if this is a man, then this is what? This is the image. Clear? So this part is what? Image. And this is what? Object. Object means man. Clear? Man is object here. So man find that the distance between the image and the man is what? 6 meters. Clear? What is asked? Find the distance of man from the mirror. Distance between the man and the mirror you have to find out. You know this we have discussed, means this I have discussed in the previous video, that the distance of object from the mirror is same as the distance of image from the mirror. So and this is what? 6 meters. So this will be what? So this distance will be what? 3 meters, and then this distance is also 3 meters. So you have to answer what? Find the distance of man from the mirror. So you will consider this part only. Clear? You will not consider this part. You have to consider this part only. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 3 meters. I hope clear? Now the next question is the angle between the incident ray and the reflected from the plane mirror is 70 degree. Find the angle of incidence. So let's solve it. Clear? Through the diagram. It is very easy. Whenever you get such type of question, you draw the diagram, you solve it as I am solving it here. Clear? So what is the angle between the incident ray and reflected ray from the plane mirror is 70 degree. Means this is the what? This is the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. Clear? This is the normal. And what is given? Angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray. So this one is incident ray. Then this will be what? Reflected ray. Clear? This is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray. And what is given? Angle is 70 degree. Means this angle is 70 degree. Clear? You have to find out what? You have to find out the angle of incidence. So you know that angle, this is what? This is angle of incidence, and this one is angle of reflection. Clear? And you know that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, means I is equal to R. So if this whole is 70 degree, then each one will be what? Each one will be 35. Clear? 70 degree divided by 2, this is equal to 35 degree. Means angle of incidence will be equal to what? 35 degree. Answer. Clear? Now the next question is the angle of incidence on a plane mirror is 30 degree. The angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is, I have to find out the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray. So let's solve it. The angle of incidence on a plane mirror is, so this is the plane mirror, clear? This is the plane mirror and this is the normal, clear? This is what? This is the incident ray, and this is given what? 30 degree, means angle of incidence is given 30 degree. What you have to find out, then this will be what? The reflected ray, clear? You have to find out what? You have to find out this angle, clear? So how will you find out this angle? Again, this one is 30 degree and this is what? This one is what? This one is angle of incidence I, and this one is what? Angle of reflection R, clear? So you know that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So if this one is 30 degree, then angle of reflection will also be equal to what? 30 degree, and so this whole will be what? 60 degree, clear? This will also be 30 degree and this whole is 60 degree. So your answer will be 60 degree, clear? Now the next question is, clear? This is the diagram, and here you can see 30 degree is given. This whole, the measurement of this whole angle is given 30 degree. You have to find out the angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Clear? So how will we know that? According to the, make it a mirror, because if other side is not polished, then of course it will not be a mirror. Clear? Now, so we have to find out the angle of incidence. Now this whole is 30 degree, and you know that the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This whole is given 30 degree, and this normal divides this into two equal parts. So angle of incidence will, what will be here? Angle of incidence will be equal to 15 degree, and angle of reflection will be equal to also what? 15 degree. Clear? Now the next question is, this is the diagram, clear? And here you have to find out the value of angle AOC, value of angle BOC, value of angle AOE, and value of angle COF. Okay, so now let's find out. AOB is given 45 degree. So AOB is what? Angle of incidence, and BOC is what? Angle of reflection. Clear? And we know that angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection according to the law of reflection. Clear? So if angle I is 45 degree, then angle R will also be equal to what? 45 degree. So means BOC, we got the value of angle BOC. This is equal to what? 45 degree. Now clear? Now next you have to find out the value of AOC. How will you find the value of AOC? Clear? So you know that angle BOE is equal to 90 degree, and angle BOA is equal to 45 degree. Then angle AOE will equal to what? This will be equal to angle BOE minus what? BOA. Clear? Or we can say AOB. So this is, here you write, give the sign, this is B. Now, so BOE is what? 90 degree. This is what? This is normal. Clear? This is normal. So the angle between BO and EO is what? 90 degree. This is clear. So here 90 degree. So 90 minus BOA. BOA is given what? 45 degree. So the answer will be what? 45 degree. So here we will write what? Where is AOE? AOE is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Now you have to find out the value of COF. Means COF. Same way we will find out the value of COF also. So I am going to rub this one. I hope it is clear to you. So for next value I am going to solve it. You have to find out the value of what? COF. So for this COF, we know that angle BOF is what? 90 degree. Clear? So for finding the value of angle COF, we will write what? BOF minus BOC. So we will write here angle BOF minus angle BOC. and BOF is what? 90. So 90 minus BOC is what? 45. So 90 minus 45, and this is equal to what? 45. So COF will be what? COF will also be equal to 45 degree. Clear? Now you have to find out, next is the AOC. AOC. Very good. Tell me, girls. Yeah, AOC. Yes, students. So the value of AOC will be equal to what? Yes, angle I plus angle R. And angle I is what here? 45 degree plus what? Again angle R is also 45 degree, and this will be equal to 90 degree. Clear? This will be equal to what? 90 degree. So AOC is equal to 90 degree. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Because here also we have used what? Law of reflection. Angle I is equal to angle R. Clear? So this is the process to find out the value. It is not very difficult. It is very easy. Now let's solve the next question. This is a diagram. Clear? Here you have to find out the value of AOB, BOC, AOC and angle COE, and this value is given here. Clear? Angle AOD is given 30 degree. So let's solve it. This one is given 30 degree, and BOD, BO is what? Normal to DE. So we can write angle BOD is equal to what? 90 degree. So angle AOB will be equal to what? AOB will be equal to angle BOD minus angle AOD. And BOD is what? BOD, we know, 90 degree. This value is what? This value is 90 degree. Here also this value is what? 90 degree. Because this one is normal to the DE. Means BO is normal to the, normal means what? Perpendicular. So BO is perpendicular to DE. So 90 minus 30 degree, and this is equal to what? 60 degree. Clear? So value of AOB is what? Value of AOB is 60 degree. Clear? Now the next is that what we have to find out? First find out BOC. Clear? BOC. BOC is what? BOC is angle of reflection, and this one is what? Angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So this value is what? 60 degree. Means this value will also be equal to 60 degree. So angle BOC is equal to what? Angle BOC is equal to 60 degree. Why? Because angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Clear? Now next, so BOC we can write here 60 degree. Now the next value that we have to find is AOC. So angle AOC is equal to what? Angle AOC is equal to angle AOB plus angle BOC. And angle AOB is what? Angle of incidence 60 degree plus BOC is angle of reflection 60 degree, and this is equal to what? 120 degree. So here we can write 120 degree. Now next we have to find out COE. COE. How will find out the value of COE? So let's solve it. Angle COE is equal to angle what? BOE minus, clear? Minus what? Angle BOC. And angle BOE is what? 90 degree. Clear? This is what? This line is perpendicular line. Clear? This indicate that the value is what? 90 degree. This 60 degree is for this, and this 60 degree is for this. Okay, so don't get confused. So BOE is 90 degree. 90 minus BOC is what? 60 degree. And this is equal to 30 degree. So here the answer will be what? 30 degree. Clear? So I hope All the numericals must be clear to you. You will not find any problem when you will solve it. Please go through the video again and again to understand it nicely. Clear? So have a nice day. Next topic I'll discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.